There's a simple section on Amazon that can increase your conversion rate, and it can increase up to 30%. But most sellers aren't using it right. In today's video, I'll show you powerful strategies that turn simple listing into high converting machine using the brand story module. But first, let's answer the question. Why does a brand story matter? First of all, you can find the brand story section right above the A plus content segment. Now inside this, you will see cards. These are the tiles we need to add. And if you notice, these cards are sweepable. You can add up to 19 of them here. See this text. This text is scrollable, which means you can put keywords in here, and it also helps in search ranking. Another benefit is the all text. See this green text that appears here? I use a Chrome extension to view it, and you can find one easily if you search on Google. So anyway, this all text also helps with indexing your listing. If you add keywords properly, so these are the SEO benefits. Other benefits include showcasing more products, not just the one in the listing. You can even link your Amazon store in one of those cards. This gives you a great chance to cross-sell your products. Now, if you swipe these cards, you will see reviews. These are called testimonials, and adding them is a powerful way to build customer trust. You can also add your brand's about us section in the brand story. Let me show you another example. This is it. Here, you can tell your brand story, which helps build a stronger connection with customers and that show how you create loyal buyers. On top of that, you can showcase product benefits, lifestyle images, or a why choose us section. These elements increase customer engagement and boost conversions. That's the power of this section. It builds trust, gives more context, and makes cross-selling easier. All in one compact carousel. Now, you might be asking what kind of modules are actually available for the brand story. Let's break it down together quickly. You have got like brand assin and store showcase. This is great for featuring multiple products across your catalog. Brand focus image is all about highlighting the visual section, showcasing benefits, adding an iconographic or lifestyle images with text. Next, we have brand logo and description. Great for introducing your brand visually and often used to highlight your mission or founder. And finally, we have got brand Q&A. This one's underused. Amazon gives you built-in prompts like how did we get started or what makes us unique. Like super helpful for building that emotional connection. Alright, I have told you that we can add up to 19 cards in a brand story segment. But there are some must-have cards that you should not ignore. And the first one is company story card. This card is where you tell your brand origin story. Now, if you see this, here sellers tell their journey, how the brand started, what the intention was, what inspired it, and etc. Next is founder highlight card. This card is all about showing the real person behind the brand, like this one. Not just telling your story, but actually showing your face. That matters. Why? Because shoppers trust people more than products. A face builds connection. So if you can, add a photo of yourself here. It makes your brand feel personal and real. To set up this, use the brand focus image or brand logo and description module. Then we have clickable product card. Here's where it gets interesting. Almost all the sellers who have the brand story use this. The clickable product cards lets you display up to 4 product images, and all of them are clickable. Plus, there's a direct link to your store section. So, 5 links in one card. And guess what? No PPC cost. It's like getting free ads inside your own listing. You'll use the brand assin and store showcase module for this one. Number 4 is brand story Q&A card. This one's text heavy, but is still super useful. It's where you answer the most common questions customers ask about your brand. You can choose from Amazon's 4 default questions. How did you start? what makes our products special, and why do we love what we do? And finally, what problem are we solving? Or you can write your own, up to 3 per card. So use the brand Q&A module for this. And just one card like this is enough. Keep the rest visual. Finally, the last one is customer testimonial or case study card. This card builds instant trust. Instead of telling shoppers how great you are, let your happy customer do it for you. Grab a real testimonial and that's it. Use the brand focus image module for this one too. And if you have several great quotes, sparkle them across your brand story. Alright, so these are the tips many sellers ignore, but you shouldn't if you want to stand out to your competitors. But if you have hard time designing a brand story module, we Ecomclips help you with that. Just give us a mail at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps. If so, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.